Nestled amidst the serene landscapes of Terras de Bouro, Portugal, lies a modern nature house seamlessly blending with its natural surroundings. This architectural marvel harmoniously combines contemporary design elements with the pristine beauty of nature, offering a tranquil retreat in the heart of Portugal. The house is characterized by clean lines and minimalist aesthetics, reflecting modern architectural principles. Yet, it maintains a deep connection to its environment, with every aspect of its design carefully crafted to complement the surrounding natural landscape. The lower floor, ingeniously nestled within the basement, houses the functional spaces dedicated to the garage and technical areas, ensuring convenience without disrupting the aesthetic harmony. Meanwhile, the upper floor serves as the focal point for social gatherings and private relaxation. Upon entering, guests are greeted by an inviting entrance hall that sets the tone for the rest of the house. Directly accessible from this central space are 4 luxuriously appointed suites, each offering a tranquil retreat for residents and visitors alike. Among these suites, one boasts a spacious walk-in closet, providing ample storage space and a touch of opulence. The entrance to this modern nature house in Terras de Bouro, Portugal, is a journey in itself, an enigmatic exterior path that winds its way through the landscape, guiding visitors towards the heart of the home. Positioned at the center of the volume, the entrance beckons with an aura of mystery and intrigue, inviting exploration and discovery. The interior of this modern nature house in Terras de Bouro, Portugal, is a testament to the beauty of thoughtful design. With its serene atmosphere, luxurious amenities, and seamless integration with the surrounding landscape, it offers a truly unparalleled living experience. In the living room, plush furnishings and cozy textiles invite relaxation, while floor-to-ceiling windows frame panoramic views of the lush greenery outside. A fireplace adds a touch of warmth and ambiance, creating the perfect spot to curl up with a book on a chilly evening. Each of the 4 suites is a private sanctuary, offering luxurious amenities and breathtaking views of the surrounding landscape. The master suite, complete with a spacious walk-in closet, provides the ultimate retreat for rest and relaxation. Whether basking in the sun, enjoying a swim, or simply taking in the breathtaking views, the pool at this modern nature house in Terras de Bouro, Portugal, offers residents a truly luxurious and immersive experience that seamlessly integrates with the surrounding landscape. Surrounding the house, native plants and trees have been carefully selected to enhance the natural beauty of the landscape, while also promoting biodiversity and sustainability. Whether strolling through the gardens, lounging by the pool, or simply taking in the views from the patio, residents are sure to find a sense of peace and tranquility in the outdoor spaces of this modern nature house.